sis, Tehila here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a get ready with me / chit chat. I'm going to start off by doing my brows with this basic pencil. So this isn't going to be fancy schmancy, me doing like all these products blah blah blah. I'm definitely going to use less than 10 things here, so it's just what works for me. Anyway, let me just thank you guys for 1.7k views on one of my videos. God, when I saw that, I was so freaking excited. That gave me the zeal to want to continue this like YouTube thing. I wasn't going to stop, but then again, even as much as that video got a ton of views, I don't think I'll be doing it again, cause it was fun. Like, if you look at the beginning of my YouTube channel, I was being all, you know, just immature, but now I hope you guys have seen the progress, because I definitely have. Now I'm in my late 17 years. I have to, you know, boss up and be very presentable and stuff, so that's definitely what I have been doing, and I enjoy it more. Then I don't even think I was looking to grow. I was looking to grow, but then I was just doing whatever I wanted to do. But now I'm being very, you know, professional and mature about it. I've started doing like intros before my videos, because I have really seen the mistakes of my past and I'm trying to correct them. I'm also trying to learn from this YouTube thing, because it's not going to be a one-day type process. I have to learn from it like continuously. So that is what I'm doing. I'll brush my eyebrows with just this normal old toothbrush. Another reason why I don't want to do content like that is because I don't want my content to be based off of someone else's content. If something happens to that woman now, like just because her channel dies, that means like my own channel is going to die. Also, I thought you guys liked reaction videos, so I did another reaction video and that didn't really do well. So you guys like that specific woman I was reacting to. So now I'm going to go in with the Iman Pro Concealer Mineral Formula. I don't know what shade this is in, but this is how it looks. Just bitch makeup. And also going in with this angled brush. Another reason why I don't want to do that type of content is because that kind of content won't help me reach my target audience. This is how it looks lined under, so I'm just going to line the top a little bit so it will be kind of clean. Then another thing is that I have goals for this channel and I can't really achieve those goals because of this country. It is so terrible. That's even why I stopped posting the first time. Anytime that I want to post, there will be no lights, or anytime I want to upload, the network will be so terrible. It's so freaking hard trying to be a Nigerian YouTuber, but then I would prevail, hopefully. I'm very strong on achieving my channel goals. I'm really stern on achieving this goal because I really love, really love doing this. It is very fun. So I really want to like strive. I won't think of giving up. I won't do all that stuff. I'll focus on it. I'm going to blend this out with my finger and use a damp beauty blender to blend it very well. Another one of my channel goals is to be posting once a week, every Friday. If you have been following me from the very beginning, you would know that I used to post 3 times a week, and that really helped me, but the videos weren't really that good. So I still grew, but then I was choked up posting 3 times a week. I want to see how posting once a week would help me. Let me just see how it will improve my channel, because I feel like that would be way easier for me and yeah, I want to be doing that for, let's say, 3 months, so that will make it like very, very easy for me to be doing it consistently and stuff like that. I'm done with the eyebrows. This is how they are looking. Get into it, yeah. Oh, also I forgot to gel my eyebrows before I put the concealer, so I just did that off camera. What was I saying? Another thing I would like to address is that this isn't my YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel. I do appreciate criticism, not like being just mean or being neutral. Like if you say something like this video is trash, I'll just look at you like, what the fuck, like who are you? But if you say something like, oh, this is nice but the lighting was bad, but I didn't really like the sound you used, I would reply to you obviously and use that as correction. Speaking of lighting, pretty sure you guys are tired of seeing this background. If you guys aren't, well, I am tired of this background, and I'm here because this is the closest place to the window. I'm literally in front of the window. I don't really have a ring light yet, but once I do, just know that this background is gone. Yeah, I'm never going to see it again. For now, I am just going to be by this window area. Bear with me for, I'll see, I don't know when I'm getting the ring lights. I don't even know where to get like a good, bright, affordable ring light, like 10-inch ring light. I'm going to blend it out with this brush. All the 10-inch ring lights that I've seen, they were very dim, and I don't want to buy something online that when it gets here it will be like so dim, and then I'll have to return it and then wait for another one. Like I don't want that process. So if you guys know any reliable place where I can get a nice, bright, affordable ring light, either in Jos, or if you know a nice online place, please comment it down below, because I need a ring light. My songs have been singing. The background music has been backgrounding. Let me know if you guys actually like the improvement compared to my last videos, because I know that I do. I pretty much know that I do, because now I'm trying to be all mature and all of that, you know, 17-year-old vibes and stuff. Once I'm done with the brush, I go in with my beauty blender, because this is a learning process for me. I feel like this will really help me in future times, because like I keep saying, this is something that I would really like to do, like badly. For my content, I would be making girly content and stuff like self-care, stuff under self-care, lifestyle, beauty, hair videos, you know, stuff like that. Maybe some financial help here and there, especially for like college students and stuff. So those are the kind of videos that I'll be making now. And if you have any video suggestions, please let me know down in the comments. I welcome everything. This is a community. You are my friend. This is a community. Like, let us bond, let us talk to each other, let us make each other better. Then I go in with a red lipstick, any red lipstick of your choice. I think this is called the Chicky. I don't know what it is, but just like a random red lipstick. Then I use it as blush. I put it on my nose like this, then here and here, like that, just to get that anime look, because I really like it. I don't know if it's just me. I blend it out with my beauty blender so it'll not look like too crazy. Then what was I even saying? Yes, so story times are gone from this channel. No more story times. I will not be doing any sort of story time anytime ever, because I found my niche, what I really would love to do, and I'm going to stick to it. So this is how it's looking, this is how I want it to look. Then I go in with my black opal powder in the shade 02 Light. Then I just put it in places where I put my concealer. I'm just going to dab it on my back of my hand like this so it won't be too much. Also, I haven't really been active on any social media really. It's not just YouTube. I haven't really been active on any social media because like sometimes I need rest and I feel like social media is getting boring, especially Instagram. Then TikTok. I don't know if it's just me, but TikTok is also getting boring too. Ooh, we're close up. Maybe because I don't know the right people to follow, or if I'm following the uninteresting people, or if I'm on the uninteresting side of TikTok. But to me, TikTok is just getting like very, very boring. And let me not even start off on Instagram, because Instagram is not even, they are hooked to life support. They need help, and it's just not giving what it used to give back in 2018. Yeah, because Instagram was lit in 2018. Now I'm going to put some dots on the place where I put blush. It just gives like this nice freckle illusion. I'm just doing it with my eyebrow pencil. You might not see it on camera, but through the mirror and in person it looks like very, very nice. I just like started doing this and it really like completes the anime look, so I just really like it. Speaking of anime, what are you guys watching, or do you guys even watch anime, or are you like the K-pop kind of, K-drama kind of person? I am personally watching Darker Than Black now. It seems very nice. I'm in episode 2. This is how it's looking. Then now I'm going to put some highlight on my inner corners and the bridge of my nose. I'm just going to go with like this color, the shade right here. I don't even know what brand of this thing, whatever, everything here is either you probably already have it or you can get it in your beauty supply store. I don't really like do too much when it comes to like makeup. So that's basically it for my YouTube, YouTube aspirations. I would really like to get to 100 subscribers before the end of this year. To some people that may seem like small, but that would be like very, very big to me. Like I was thrilled when I got my first subscriber, so imagine how I'll be with 100, like 3 digits. That was going to be like so freaking huge for me. Like I would really love that, and that would just tell me that I'm progressing. But if I don't, like I'll be like, oh, there are still some things I need to learn. I don't do anything to my eyelids because I feel like hyperpigmentation on my eyelids is like the best shade of eyeshadow out there. But if I am to do something, maybe just like a brown ginger eyeshadow on my crease, but today lastly I am going to line my lips and put on lip gloss with the same eyebrow pencil. I'll line it with black because I'm not really seeing the pigment in the brown today, so I'm going to line it with that black, and then yeah, I like that. And then I use my Squeeze and Shine lip gloss. I really love this lip gloss. I don't know why people don't like thick lip glosses. I either use Squeeze and Shine or Absolute. I actually mix the two because Absolute has the thickness and not the color, and Squeeze and Shine has the color but not the thickness, so I just mix the two, and then that's what I'm using. The lip gloss just upgrades the look, just makes it look so tantalizing and fresh. So lastly, I would go in with a darker shade of my black opal powder. It has been really used. This is in the shade 04. So I'm going to take it, use my brush, this cheek brush right here, take it like this, and then it's just like, so I don't know why I like doing this, I just like doing this. And then on the other side, this can be like an everyday makeup look for me. I'm going to do my edges with the hair wax edge control. This is the best edge control I've ever used on my natural hair. It stays for like the whole day regardless if I'm sweating or if it's hot. The only problem with it is that it kind of flakes, so you should put like very little. Like Eagle Sarah doesn't work for my hair, and I really cannot comprehend why. Because I see like people on TikTok like hyping it up and then just like using it, but it's like putting water on my hair, and I use the green one. I'm going to put on some jewelry and wear my outfit and get back to you. So this is the finished look. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.